Oskar Håkansson founded the Figeholm factory in 1931. His wife was of German origin and only German was spoken in the family. At the turn of the century, the Håkansson family moved to Sweden and to the Ny Kvarn paper mill. Due to his knowledge and development of the factory's paper machinery, Oskar Håkansson was shortly thereafter promoted to supervisor. Håkansson was later recruited to the Västervik paper mill, and for a time he worked simultaneously at the Västervik mill and at a paper mill in Germany. It was in Germany that he came into contact with a new material, namely pre-compressed board. Ideas were developed and Håkansson was looking around for premises in which to realize his dreams. When Knud Kindsell ventured his property and consolidated his business with Oskar Håkansson, the Figeholm factory was born. During the early years, factory space was shared with a match factory and a box production plant. None of these companies lasted for very long. During the 30s, the operation was complemented with artificial leather as well as different grades of cardboard, as order intake of manufactured pre-compressed board was not sufficient. The World War II years led to reduced orders and economizing of operations. The late 40s offered better times and a new factory was built in Fårbo for the manufacturing of corrugated board insulation and Elboard HDLP. When the demand for pre-compressed board for transformer insulation increased in the mid-50s, the workforce also grew to 300 people. During the 60s, the situation was reversed. After the company suffered major financial problems, Håkansson's son Roland resigned as CEO in 1969. The company was purchased by ASEA during the summer of 1973, and considerable investments in larger paper machines brought the company back on its feet. Towards the end of the 70s, component manufacturing for insulation systems was introduced and came to play an increasingly important role. During all the previous years, company management has worked intensively with production development, modernization and rationalization. With its 77-year history, the Figeholm factory is today a highly rationalized industry, and it is well equipped for the future. Today, with new investments and product and quality developments, the company is better equipped than ever to meet the future.